Urban society is starting to experience lifestyle change. One of them is the realization of a lifestyle of hanging out in cafes for certain groups of people. This has an impact on the increasing presence of the cafes in Indonesia, especially in big cities. One type of drink that is often served in cafes is coffee. This trend increasing demand for coffee has a major impact on the increasing numbers of coffee shop-based business in big cities throughout Indonesia. The coffee consumption in Indonesia 2014 reached 1.03 kilograms per capita with a total coffee demand of 260,000 tons. The increasing consumption of coffee drinks will result in high amount of uneconomical coffee grounds waste. On average, each coffee shop contributes around 10 kilograms of coffee grounds every day. If accumulated every year, one coffee shop can contribute around 3,650 kilograms or 3.65 tons of coffee grounds. However, behind the pile of coffee grounds that seem worthless, there are economic opportunities. So today I was at coffee shop in Malang. It's called Cafe Daksa. So I'm here with
Nuhi Mahendra Nugraha.
So we will interview Mas Nuhi about coffee ground waste. So let's check it out.
How much coffee is used to prepare beverage in this cafe?
On this cafe is about 1 or 2 kilograms per day, maybe, since open until close.
How much coffee waste is produced daily?
About 1 or 2 kilograms, maybe, same as we produce coffee every day.
Is there any processing of coffee waste before disposal? If so, what are the processing techniques?
On my point of view, on the coffee waste, that actually has good and bad impact depending on we process that coffee waste. The good one is can be filterizing plant and beauty cosmetic in the good way.
What is your opinion on the coffee waste produced by the cafe?
Always have to weigh right and false. Depending like before, however we process the coffee in the good way or the bad way. In the good way, coffee waste can be filterized a plant and beauty mess on the long process.
Does your cafe have any specific programs to manage coffee waste?
We actually collect the coffee waste in one plastic. So when the volume of coffee waste is large or much, it's immediately we take to a plant. We use to fertilize the easy way is just like that.
In your opinion, what is the greatest potential for utilizing coffee waste?
In my opinion, the best way to process the coffee trash like that in many ways. But the easy ways is for fertilize the plant, just like that, like my answer before. And maybe the coffee waste can be many function.
Daksa, based on an interview with Nuhi Mahendra Nugraha as the owner of the Daksa Cafe with 8 years of barista experience. This coffee shop can produce around 1 to 2 kg of coffee ground every day, which are collected over time, but have not been processed optimally. The owner has the view that the collected coffee ground can be used to improve the soil and fertilizer of process into beauty products such as facial masks. However, is not handled properly, this waste can cause environmental problem.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Lailatul Jamila from TIP 22.
Hello, my name is Nadia and I'm from Faculty of Agricultural Technology.
Yes, I do. Of course, I'm aware. Yes, I think if not properly managed, they can cause water pollution. Coffee grounds, if processed properly, can have economic value and be turned into sustainable products.
I see it's a great opportunity because coffee ground can be more used valuable source that are opportunity in environment, and such a being product into soap or scrub or anything. The challenge is education and how can we reduce the waste and management.
Based on interviews conducted with several Brawijaya University students, coffee ground waste is seen as an untapped economic opportunity with potential use such as aromatherapy candles, body scrub, or soap. However, limited public awareness and knowledge are major obstacles. Enhanced education and outreach on simple processing methods for household and industries are essentials.
The result of interviews and discussion, it can be concluded that coffee ground waste has great potential to be processed into products with economic value, such as aromatherapy, candles, soap, or fertilizer. However, its utilization has not been optimal due to the lack of the educational facilities and waste management. Cafe Daksa has not implemented maximum coffee ground waste management. In fact, cafes can play an important role as pioneers in the utilization of this waste productively while educating the community so that it not only provides benefits to the environment but also creates sustainable business opportunities.
What Cafe Daksa can do as a recommendation is to process coffee ground waste before disposal. In addition, it can also release the plan of the coffee owner to process coffee waste into fertilizer. Coffee ground waste can also be submitted to business processor who produce processed coffee ground products. In addition, the cafe can also socialize to visitor, utilize social media for education, and promote processed product made for coffee grounds such as soap, organic fertilizer, scrub, and air freshener.